Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am 33 weeks pregnant and I'm gonna update you guys on week 29 to 33. It's been a long time when I haven't filmed any pregnancy update, but it's just been manic. I've been busy in doing other videos for my channel and also just busy with my son getting things ready for baby, because I'm really looking forward to baby now. Not many weeks to go, just 7 weeks until my due date, so it's super duper exciting. I've been also potty training my 2.5-year-old, so it's been busy with that as well. I want to get rid of his nappies before baby number 2 arrives, because otherwise we'll have like nappies like everywhere and it's just a wastage. And I thought he was really ready for it, so I just went for it and it worked. So yeah, that's a side note. Let's just jump into the pregnancy update. So there is a lot of things going on. The main thing that happened at week 30 was swelling. So bizarrely, my hands were like swollen before my feet, which is weird because usually your feet swell up before or swell up more. Around 30 weeks, I started feeling that my rings were really tight. So I took them off, took my bangles off as well, and I wore no jewelry for about a week. Then I found some old rings. I didn't like my hands bare, so I found some other rings that fit me because I bought them in my previous pregnancy. So I'm wearing these, but as you can see, my right hand compared to my left hand is more swollen, my fingers especially, and especially my thumb. In the morning, when I wake up, they are really stiff. So I've been doing a few things and I'll share them with you that has considerably reduced my swelling, and this is a lot less than when I was 30 weeks pregnant. I think about 50% of the swelling has gone. And I also had some wrist pain on my right wrist especially, and that has reduced as well, so I have almost no pain now. So a few things I've been doing. First of all is drinking a lot of water. Swelling is basically fluid retention. So if you drink a lot, it eliminates, ironically, it eliminates also the fluids and the toxins. So more than any random fluids or juices or stuff like that, I've been drinking copper water. I was drinking copper water like in the morning, but now I'm drinking that during the day as well. I keep a pot of copper water in the kitchen now, so each time I go in the kitchen I drink some water, so it makes me drink a lot more. Even in the night when I wake up, I try to drink more water. Luckily I don't have to go and pee in the night. Touch wood, that hasn't been an issue for me. The other thing I've been doing is exercising my hands and my wrists. So I do twists like this. I open my fingers, I twist my ankles because I've got a bit of swelling on my feet as well, and also on my face. It was a lot more, but you can see my jaw is more like chubby. I look more chubby. I've gained weight as well, but I feel like I'm a bit swollen on my face as well. So yeah, you can check out my prenatal yoga routine. I'll link it here. So for all the exercises I do. Thirdly, I've been dry brushing. So I've got this brush, which is from the brand Pretty. I got it from Amazon with other brushes as well. You get a face brush as well, and a stone, so it's got little beads and bristles. So I just dry brush like this towards the heart, so it kind of drains all the toxins out, and it improves blood circulation. and improves the lymphatic circulation as well. So I do this every morning and every night, like before going to sleep, and then it kind of helps me a lot, and it actually feels good. It's like harsh on your skin, but not too harsh, and it I really like it. It kind of does a little acupressure as well with the little beads in the middle. So I really enjoy doing that. So even I've got like 5 minutes, I'm waiting for something, I dry brush. I keep one upstairs. I've bought 2 of these, one upstairs and one downstairs, and just like keep dry brushing whenever I've got like few minutes. And it comes with this as well. So you just clip it in. And this is helpful for the feet because I can't really reach my feet like because of the bump. So this handle is very handy. So yeah, you can clip it out easily up and then just use it on your hands and then your feet. So there's this nice little brush which is less harsh for your face, so I use that for my like neck and my jaws because they feel like a bit swollen as well. And the last thing I do is massage. So I've been massaging but not like regularly, so I'm using the same cream and oil that I've made for my stretch marks, because they contain essential oil and ingredients that are really good for like healing as well. So I've been using this Ayurvedic cream and then the oil, so especially on my right hand, on my wrist, so it helps like lubricate every joints and etc. And then my feet, my hands and my feet, so I massage them, do little points, acupressure, and then like yeah, especially before going to bed. So that kind of helps me. So yeah, I feel my swelling has reduced a lot, which is great. I'm so happy for that because I was really swollen. I didn't take any pictures, but I might try and find one at around 30 weeks, but yeah, it was a bit scary. Now at 31+4 I had my growth scan again, so I'm having growth scans every month from 28 weeks, from 7 months basically. So this time round they checked the baby's growth and she was growing okay. She wasn't like growing on the curve that they predicted. If she falls off that curve then they might worry, but she was okay for now, and she's weighing 1.6 kilograms, which is I think normal for her gestational age. She was like heads down, and then I could I could see her face, her limbs, everything. So it's good that she's heads down, because with my first baby he was like transverse, like lying on the sides, head on the right and legs on the left. So, and I was praying that he gets into the right positions, like heads down soon. So I was speaking to him like every morning that you need to get in the right position, baby, come on. And then it eventually happened, I don't know, around 34 weeks. But she's already, since my last scan at 27 weeks, she's already heads down, so she knows better than the first one. Anyway, so she was heads down, and then what I keep feeling is, I'm gonna stand up and show you guys because it might be easier. So this is my bump at 33 weeks. I feel like the bump is like really low. I don't know what you think, but so she's here, head's here. This is my belly button, and I feel like her bump is here, and this little hardness, it's very painful, and her legs must be like here, all the way here, because I feel a lot of movements here as well, and a lot of movements here as well. So that must be her arms. just moving around. So yeah, I feel like all the limbs and stuff, little hardness here and there, so it's nice. But it's also very painful, like especially her bum. It's just near my belly button and it is, oh my god, so painful. I feel like putting oil all the time on my belly because it kind of stretches and stretches. It's quite painful. I am wearing a lot more stretchy clothes. I've got limited clothes now because I'm getting so big. My bump is getting so big that even my like maternity bra, my normal underwear don't fit me anymore. So I wear like very loose clothing, and in the night I I wear my husband's t-shirts because they're a lot more loose and comfier, and it's nice to sleep with comfy clothes. So yeah, the other thing I've noticed is that I'm super clumsy. I bump into literally like everything. Like when I went for my scan, I bumped into the table. I knew the table was there, but I just bumped into it. And especially on my right side, somehow I bump into stuff more on my right leg. So luckily I don't fall, but I get hurt, and it didn't happen to me like in my previous pregnancy, so it's bizarre. Now the baby, I've downloaded an app a long time ago, a few months ago actually. It's called Tiny, and it kind of tracks the baby's heartbeat. So if you put, it's on your phone, you download it on your phone. So if you put the microphone of your phone on the belly, you can hear the baby. So it's supposed to work from 16 weeks onwards, but for me it hasn't worked, or I wasn't experienced enough to kind of know the position of the baby and put it at the right place. But what I could hear is the hiccups. So it's called Tiny. The app is called Tiny. Anyway, so I feel the baby having hiccups, like boom, boom, boom. And so I put my phone on the belly, and then I could literally hear boom, and then my husband could hear as well, which was nice. And there is an option where you can record. So I've recorded a few times where the baby was having hiccups. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this longish video update. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and see you in my next one. Bye.